about harmony of self with the body. In this, we can learn about our body, a self-organized unit. About our body. And myself, Sonia Sharma, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department at Chandigarh Engineering College, Chanjeri, Mohali. So let's begin with the topic of swasthya. Basically, what is swasthya? Swasthya is the condition of our body where every part of our body part is performing its expected function. The word swasthya literally means anchored to self, being in a close harmony with the self. In other words, swasthya in Sanskrit means self-dependence. Also embedded in its meaning is health, sound state, comfort, and satisfaction. Health is a general condition of the person. It is also a level of functional or metabolism efficiency of an organism. Health is the general condition of the person. It is also the level of functional or a metabolic efficiency. The general word health comes from the old English word heal, which means wholeness, whole, sound or well. Heal comes from the Pro-Indo-European root kailo, means whole and injured of a body or mind. So, what is the aspects of swasthya? Means physical health, mental health, and social health. This is the holistic term which include physical health, mental health, and social health. As in this diagram, it represent on the top it is a physical health, and at the middle of the diagram it shows mental health and social health. With the combine of these three health, we call it swasthya. Now, what is physical health? Physical health means a good body health, which is healthy because of regular exercise, for a good diet, and for a good diet also. Physical health relates to about concerning our body as a physical entities. In other words, physical health is physical well-being. Physical well-being is defined as something a person can achieve. That means it can be achieved by a person by developing a all health related component for his or her lifestyle. Fitness reflects a person's cardiorespiratory endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. Other contribute of physical well-being may include a proper nutrition, body weight management, abstaining from the drug abuse, alcohol, responsible sexual behavior, hygiene, getting the right amount of sleep. These all belongs to physical health. A good sleep, a good diet, substance abuse, exercise is belong to the physical health. For building a physical health, one should eat a healthy and balanced diet, take care of hygienic and complete cleanliness, like he or she should regular brush teeth, bath daily, wear clean clothes, keep your surrounding clean, drinking clean and safe water, breathe deeply, go for walk regularly, exercise daily, play game, go to gym, avoid fizzy drink, chips like junk food, as far as possible, eat in a moderate quantity. That is less better than excess, but make sure what you eat it will be a nutritious. Keep your nail clean and clipped and clean. This is all the building for building a physical health. Next is mental health. Mental health refers to the people's subjective and emotional well-being. A person who enjoys mental health does not have a mental disorder. This is according to the WHO, a state of well-being in which the individual rises his or her own ability, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully. In other words, sound mental health is the state of the mind which can maintain a calm, positive poise and regain it when unsettled or progressively longer duration or quickly. Most people agree that mental health includes the ability to enjoy life, the ability to bounce back for adversity, the ability to achieve balance, flexibility, feel safe, secure, and self-actualization. These all are belongs to mental health. Now, next is what cycle of mental health, in which we include thoughts, belief, in feelings, emotions, consequence given by other, and the behavior actions. Now, next is what the impedance to the sound mental health. First is internal cause for money, power, recognition, jealous, environment, vanity, impatience, anger, frustration. These all are the internal cause of mental health. And what is the external cause of unemployment, weak empathy, student education problem with neighbors, Milton Union, and so on. So these are the points, or these are the things which belongs to the due to which internal cause and external cause of the mental health occurs. Next is what? Restoration mental health. Here are the few guidelines whose practice could restore our personal command over mental health. Cultivate a sound physical of life. Identify with an inner core nutritious sense of the equilibrium. Validate a staple. Cultivate the value of quality. Practice self-discipline through which deep breathing develop the habit of radiation and good will. Now, what is the social health? Social health refers to the ability of person fit into the social, in which it includes interpersonal relationships. Social health contribute toward the physical and mental health. To enhance the social health, a human must learn to tolerate, learn to appreciate diversity, practice good manner, conduct oneself with a grace, be helpful, loyal, and trustworthy, and don't be a self-centered. Now, determination of the health, in which who says the following factors are the biggest impact on our health that can assess and use of health. That is where we live, the state of our environment, genetic, our income, our education level, our relationship. These all are the components which is helpful in determinant of the health, in which the main things are where we live, the state of our environment, genetics, our income, our educational level, and our relationship with friends and families. So thank you. Dreams and aspiration would not always take you on the straight path to destiny, but they usually related to what your soul wants for you. Thank you so much. Hope this lecture is very informative for you. In this session, we learn about the mental, physical health. Hope you learn this from this section a lot of things. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow again.